All right, everybody, this is John and Parita again, and we are at San Carlos City Town Center, which is like another giant mall in the middle of town here, and some shopping is going to be done here. We actually met up with Parita's nephew, Aldrin, and his wife, Josephine. I tell you what, they're an amazing couple, and I'm going to share more about them later on, but he is the music director at his United Pentecostal Church in Winnipeg, Canada. And we've been talking about NAYC and how excited him and his family are and his son is going. But anyway, back to the mall. We're here and we're going to try some Filipino pizza for the first time and see how closely it compares to our pizza in America. So hopefully it's going to turn out well. This will be Parita's first pizza, so we'll get you a video of that. I love y'all and God bless. Hit like and subscribe.